Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Congress commitment to Meghalaya, an unemployment-free Meghalaya. Congress is committed towards providing a job to every household in Meghalaya.
Five commitments na kaseng Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Hakamit jong ka arpulai terik urumpang anata arpulai ukertong ka UDP u Dr. Amanwar ula pelong ya ka Jingïalap election haki artli ki jaka kata Lawmali bat hajil run. Hakini ki Jingïalap u Dr. War lakran bensyai syakipat ba ya ka nongrem ka ba uyeng bat katong ka ba udon ban trei lada kipat ba ki ibit man penjob ya u hakini ki election ka ba mentam. Baru artli ki Jingïalap kilong ki ba Shongshit namar ki Jingshat jong ki nonggershan ka UDP hadin balawai ki Jingïalap.
सर बीएचएस के डायरेक्टर रह चुके हैं, फॉर्मर डायरेक्टर ऑफ बीएचएस। कोविड के टाइम में हम लोगों ने देखा है कि हम लोग के ऊपर कितना प्रॉब्लम गया है। हम लोग घर में बैठे हुए थे, एकमात्र जो मेडिकल फ्रेटर्निटी डॉक्टर सब लोग बाहर आकर हम लोग के बारे में चिंता कर रहे थे कि हम लोग को कैसे बचाया जाए इस महामारी से। ये महामारी ऐसी कुछ थी जो हम लोग के लिए बहुत ही कुछ नया था, बहुत कुछ हम लोग को सीखने को मिला, नया नया रूल्स समझने को मिला। लेकिन डॉक्टर अमनवार के लिए ये बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज था, क्योंकि ये टाइम में उन लोगों ने सर ने कोविड 9 से लेकर वैक्सीनेशन ड्रग ये सर नहीं करवाया था। आप लोग के पास अभी जो भी आदमी आप लोग एक जो आदमी लोग को जो वैक्सीनेशन मिला है ये इनके वजह से हुआ है, क्योंकि अगर इन्होंने नहीं करता है तो आज हम लोग महामारी से पीड़ित होते थे। ये आप लोग को पता होना चाहिए कि डॉक्टर अमनवार जो पब्लिक के लिए सोच रहे थे तब भी सेवा कर रहे हैं, इस बार पॉलिटिकल सेवा में न उठ रहे। मैं और दो चीज बोलना चाहूंगा, दो नहीं 3 चीज बोलना चाहूंगा। पहला बात, जो शांति कैसे हो, हम लोगों ने 5 साल में देखा है कोविड के लिए भी और दूसरे वजह से भी अशांति फैली हुई थी। कहीं में ड्रग्स के वजह से कोई ड्रग्स के लिए देके वो मारामारी कर रहा है, कोई चोरी कर रहा है, कोई मर्डर भी हो रहा है। तो पहली बात उन्होंने बताया था कि ड्रग्स को कैसे संभाला जाए, क्योंकि एक माँ बाप जब अपने बच्चे को बड़ा करता है, अपने खून पसीने से बड़ा करता है, लेकिन जब वो कोई गलत संगत में पड़ जाता है तब वो सबसे चिंताजनक बात होती है, क्योंकि खाली सिर्फ उसका जीवन खराब नहीं होता है, पूरा परिवार का जीवन खराब हो जाता है। ये आप लोग को पता है कि ये ड्रग्स हम लोग के नस नस में सोसाइटी में धीरे धीरे घुस रहा है, वो धीरे धीरे सोसाइटी को भी उगल लेगा। तो इसके लिए इनका ये प्रण है, जो ये ड्रग्स को जड़ से उखाड़ने के लिए यहाँ से उखाड़ के ये देश से बाहर निकलना पड़ेगा। उनको पता नहीं कि अरुणाचल के साथ उनको किसका सरकार बना हुआ है, वो कोई रीजनल पार्टी के साथ भी बनाया है, नागालैंड में भी रीजनल पार्टी के साथ बनाया है, मणिपुर में भी रीजनल पार्टी के साथ बनाया है, आसाम के साथ भी रीजनल पार्टी के साथ बनाया है। ये क्या वो मुकर सकते हैं अपने मुंह से? ये क्या वो उनके मुंह से मुकर सकते हैं कि वो रीजनल पार्टी के साथ नहीं कर रहे हैं? सरकार एक तरफ आपको भड़काया जाता है कि वो आप रीजनल पार्टी को मत दीजिए, और उस तरफ उन लोग रीजनल पार्टी के साथ सरकार बनाते हैं। ये कैसी बात हुई? एक आदमी के साथ एक बात करते हैं, दूसरे तरफ कम्युनल बात करते हैं, तो उनसे बड़ा कोई कम्युनल हो ही नहीं सकता। बोलिए हाँ का बम। मैं यही आपको बात बोलना चाहता हूं कि मेघालय में है तो मेघालय का जो रीजनल पार्टी है वो उनको पता है कि उनका जड़ क्या है। इनके पार्टी के सिवा कोई और पार्टी नहीं बोल सकता, क्योंकि जो बाहर से आदमी आने वाले उन लोगों को तो पता ही नहीं है कहां कॉलोनी में क्या चल रहा है, क्या हो रहा है। ये हम लोग को सबको पता है, हम लोग को सब आदमी लोग को पता है। इस बार आप लोग का अमूल्य वोट ड्रम में दी के इनको जय जो कीजिए, तो यही आपका आखिरी नहीं बोलूंगा। बहुत बहुत अनेक अनेक धन्यवाद होगा इसके लिए।
For the common good of all the residents of the state, we've come together as residents of North Shillong constituency, and I have seen here our sisters, our mothers, brothers, mahilas, our youths, both from all sections of society. This is a victory. We have gone to all the houses out here. There are some we have left out. We apologize for that, but within these 2 days, we will try to complete our door-to-door campaign. And for all the houses that we have visited, we have met educationists all over this constituency. We have met doctors, we have met learned people, we have met people who are self-made. And like I have already said before, that from Yodo to Jingïalap, this is the hub of the economy for the whole state. This is the hub of education and healthcare in the whole state. You will be receiving our appeals, and out in these appeals we have mentioned each and every school in North Shillong, the hospitals, the urban health centers. And what we want to do is, this diamond which needs to be polished more, we would like to polish it for you, so that the glory of North Shillong constituency is upheld. Now let me tell you a story. You must have heard. We have gone door to door. We have discussed issues. And for these door-to-door campaigns, I have never even once said or made any comments, any bad comments against any candidate or any party. I mean, went there to discuss about how we can bring about a change in the constituency. Now the story goes like this, that there is an insect, there is a fly, and this fly always likes to eat and sit and rest in garbage. And wherever they sit and eat the garbage, this particular fly, what does it do? It spreads disease it spreads misery. This is what we call the black housefly. On the other side, we have a hard-working insect. Wherever they go, as far as it could carry, they take the best out of the best in nature. The best flower. That is why the bee collects nectar and turns it into honey. We have got here flies who, when they were in service, they were supposed to function as per the mandate of what has been entrusted in them. They failed to do so. And seeing the support that we have received all over the constituency, especially in these areas, in these localities. Now what have they done? They have infused the communalism in closed doors. They have spoken that we, from the UDP, we are very communal and we have no right to seek votes from you, dear friends out here. But when we went to door, did you see us being communal? What did we do all this time? We brought about and integrated all of you together. This we did with love and affection. And you've given that support because of that, through love and affection. And because of this, now being incited by other people from outside the state, they come, they speak as if that there is a big problem here in the state, especially in North Shillong constituency. But this I will tell you, that every house that we visited, people, they have asked us, kindly sit down, have tea. If we were communal, would have they welcomed us like that? But they have welcomed us with open arms. And when we spoke to them, without any bad comments, without any character assassination against anyone, they took us into their arms and we won them with this love and affection. Now you come and you infuse this communal tension. You bring in divisive language against our residents whom we are trying to integrate together, to bring about a happiness, to bring about the security, to bring about peace and harmony, and to bring about a feel-good factor. Now what have you done? You're trying to bring in a feedback factor. And because of this, the people will reject you. No matter what you do, we stand together. Our friends are here. They will stand together with us. We will work with you. You have got the expertise in so many areas. We would like to work together with you. Do not listen to people who talk as if they are very intelligent, who talk as if they have got wisdom. But I will tell you this, they are on the borderline of dullness. And for this, the people of the constituency on the 27th of this month, they will give the reply. and they will reject you outright. We have brought about songs in Khasi. Yawara ki jirwai tin Khasi. Bakali ki jirwai tin Khasi. Ni penkala ka Bengali. Bakirwai ruwai yu Khasi. Barapor ruwai ka ju ki kitin. Tanmala ka jong kitin. Kepada Indonesia. So Aliyong yang kita parti leader Jopi. Kamtam kita di mana Assam. Kita Shimlin. Banwan. Matuklar. Yang kesanyi masih mahal ni. Shongshit alayi macam. Tell them, relax, sit, and be happy in your own state. Because the UDP this time will lead the government. And we will lead the government because of your overwhelming support. And because of this support, we get that encouragement. We have worked together in so many ways. I have seen the committees working. No complaints against them. However, people, they still come here and say that we have treated our brothers and sisters as second-class citizens. There is no second-class citizens. In fact, maybe you have treated other people as second-class and third-class citizens. We work as a doctor. We work with love. We work with passion. And that is why in Oakland we have said that in this particular area, our work, our mission, and I will coin this, it is a mission of action with passion. And this passion, we will carry it not only in this constituency, but the whole state. And the whole state will give you a befitting reply on the 2nd of March. And for that, I appeal to all the residents, to all our friends here, that on the 27th, please come out and vote. And press the button on the drum, and on the drum. I have appealed with all humbleness, with all humility. And as a doctor, I've already told in the houses that when we work and we see a patient becomes all right, it is a satisfaction for us. However, when we lose the patient, it is not that the doctors are insensitive. We may not show that we are sad. We may not show that we feel. But however, inside us, when we lose a patient, we feel with the relatives. It is always a sorry state when we lose patients. But here now, in this political field, if you make a mistake, the whole generation goes. And for that, people who are infusing criminal, divisive forces coming in here, please be ready that we will give you a befitting reply. Ni don lang magini kiparlo, kipabuan kiniru kinang magkran, yaktin kajongi, kika magkran yaktin kajongi, kidan lang bagi. Batbat matakasi, kamnan ganu katakasi ni bet kajongi. Bat kiniri ke wan lang bagi banong, hakabom, me and you, everybody,
प्लीज stay with us, अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ, आप लोग मत जाइए।
बाकी है। हम लोग का बहुत थैंक्स बाकी है। मंत्री আমাদের এখানে এখন ভোট থ্যাঙ্কস দেবে। আপনারা নেচে নেচে ভোট থ্যাঙ্কসটা শুনুন।